Are you looking for a roofing contractor? Having roofing problems is never a nice experience, but it happens. And when it does, it's important to get it repaired as quickly as possible. This is where we can help you. We are local, fully trained, and certified roofing contractors, and we're ready to solve any issues you may have with your roof. We will handle all your needs quickly, professionally, and at an affordable price. We're more than happy to work around your schedule and are here whenever you need us. So don't panic and call the first roofing contractor you find. Contact us today. We will provide you with the highest quality service.